quaff. Third person singular present tense quaffs, present participle quaffing, past tense, past participle quaffed. To drink heartily or in one draught. Synonyms: gulp, drink in, sip, belt. He quaffed a glass of water.
Quarry. Plural, third person singular present tense quarries, present participle quarrying, past tense, past participle quarried. To dig stone or sand from a quarry. Synonyms: excavate, mine, dig up, dig out. The stone used to build the castle was quarried locally.
Quash. Word forms: third person singular present tense quashes, present participle quashing, past tense, past participle quashed. If a court or someone in authority quashes a decision or judgment, they officially reject it. Synonyms: annul, overturn, reverse, cancel. The appeal court quashed the verdict.
Quell. Word forms: third person singular present tense quells, present participle quelling, past tense and past participle quelled. To quell opposition or violent behavior means to stop it. Synonyms: suppress, crush, put down, defeat. Extra police were drafted in to quell the unrest.
Queer. Word forms: third person singular present tense queers, present participle queering, past tense, past participle queered. To spoil or thwart. Synonyms: adulterate, thwart, alloy, scourge. I didn't want queering the deal at the last minute.
Quench. Word forms: third person singular present tense quenches, present participle quenching, past tense and past participle quenched. If someone who is thirsty quenches their thirst, they lose their thirst by having a drink. Synonyms: satisfy, appease, allay, satiate. I expect you would like something to quench your thirst.
Query. Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense queries, present participle querying, past tense, past participle queried. To query means to ask a question. Synonyms: ask, inquire or inquire, question. I would query whether these figures are correct.
Q. Word forms: third person singular present tense cues, present participle cueing, past tense and past participle cued. To form or join a line of people or vehicles waiting to do something or go somewhere. Synonyms: line up, we queued for hours to get the theatre tickets.
Quibble. Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense quibbles, present participle quibbling, past tense, past participle quibbled. When people quibble over a small matter, they argue about it even though it is not important. Synonyms: split hairs, carp, cavil, prevaricate. They spent hours quibbling about who should pay the bill.
Quiver. Word forms: third person singular present tense quivers, present participle quivering, past tense and past participle quivered. If something quivers, It shakes with very small movements. Synonyms: shake, tremble, shiver, quake. The teacher quivered with anger in class.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.